Hello guys, in today's video I will show you how you can create bulk videos on Canva with just ChatGPT for your great YouTube channel and make amazing nice bulk videos in a lot of ways. First of all, let's go to ChatGPT and start our journey. After going to the ChatGPT, we will enter this prompt right to the ChatGPT. He will create a table about a game. Choose one button. It's a pretty easy game, as you can see. GPT started creating already. I should show you probably the prompt a little more, because for bulk videos like this table is perfect. You can make a lot of videos with this, and of course, like the limits are endless, and ChatGPT can create like hundreds of these easily. Of course, after getting 50 of these, I will just say stop generating for a second, because why not? After making ChatGPT stop and seeing our options, the game is fairly simple. In your videos, you would be able to do questions like these where people would choose one or the other. If they say yes, great. If they say no, there's a hidden thing. And in Canva, we will make sure all these things are shown properly. After creating our table, we will go to Canva and go to videos. After going to the videos, we will just say YouTube videos, of course, because why not? After going to the YouTube video, we will do and search for a spiral pattern. There are a lot of spiral patterns around, so you will be able to find something that looks nice super easily. And of course, you should try the pro version of the game. After going through here, we will search for a spiral background because it looks good for videos, but you can use any background you would prefer. I will go for this one. And yeah, let's make it 10 seconds. Why not? You can just do time as much as you want. After doing some more tinkering with Canva, I have come to this screen. I changed the background a little, and with the R button here, as you can see when you press R, there is a shape that gets created. You can change the shape here, but like of course, try everything, see what works, what doesn't work. And after making our shape, we will press T and create texts for this to work. You can do all of these sorts in different stuff, so it's good. After creating all of our shapes, I want to add a timer here, so I added this kind of a rectangle here, and I will go timer and of course effects and everything. I will need to check of course effects first. After going to the effects, since I have the pro version, I will make it as slow as possible, so it looks just like this. For a short video, it looks perfect. After handling the times and adding the second one, of course, I need to check and make sure there is some writing after the yes and no buttons go, so I can add a visual later. For that, I will handle the timings, and after these guys go, I will add another one here and handle that as well. Let's just say the unknown. Just for the sake of the video, I will make it a little bit bigger right now, just so I can place it nicely here. And I will handle the timings of that as well. It needs to come up right as they go, so I will add an animation to, let's try go up. We will see. As you can see, right as they go, the unknown button will come up. This is good. Let's make it faster. With that out of the way, right now what I will do is go to the apps and search for bulk create. As you can see, I have the bulk create right now. The name looks different, but it's because of my own language. Right now, when you search bulk create, it will be right here. I will open bulk create and select enter data manually. It will open this page right here. I will of course clean the board first and then go to ChatGPT. After going to the ChatGPT, I will collect it like this. Of course, I need to collect all of them and take the first 10 just to show you how it works. I will copy these and then add them at the top, not at the below. At the top, I will just Control V and see this right here. I can delete my yeses and my nos because we don't need them right now. It will be better when we do it like that. I will say now finish. Now we have the data. I will click to 1 here and do, of course, connect the data and enumeration for the number. It will look like this, but when the numbers get entered, it will be better, don't worry. I will go to what do you prefer and select again, connect the data and select question. And for the unknown, I will do the hidden thing. Of course, when we create the video, these will change and numbers will look much better. Then I will just say continue. And right now, as you can see, it will want to create 10 different videos just by this prompt. I will do create pages and it will take me to a new page where it creates all the videos. Of course, you can change how they look, doing something similar like this, super easily, but in the end, it created you the video. Let's see. Yes, thanks to this, all we need right now is just a visual. For that, we can always go and search from the apps, text to image tool. And if you have any kind of text to image tool here you can find, you can just search for that, enter your prompts from here, and it will give you just what you need. So you will be able to add the picture as well and make your videos perfect. Or you can just search them from here as well. But if you don't want to do any of those, you can just add your own visuals or just make AI create those pictures using your hidden idea prompts. After that, we will go share, and of course we will download, and after selecting download, it will want us to of course select the pages, but we want all of our videos to be downloaded and select a nice quality as well. When you say download, it will start downloading every single one of them. So that was the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video and I hope you create amazing videos with this as well. Hope to see you again in the next videos. Have a great day and goodbye.